Hi there, Lucas here from GT Towing, and today I'm going to show you how to rewire your trailer, bike rack or caravan 7-pin plug. So once you've taken your old or assuming broken plug apart, you'll be left with 7 wires. They may already be stripped back, but if not, you're just taking the outer sleeving of each cable from the wire, leaving yourself with about 3 or 4 mil worth of copper wire. Now, a common mistake people make is putting the copper wire straight into the receiving end of the pin. Now, in time, the copper will deteriorate and break away from the inside of the plug. So a little trick to prevent that from happening is to twist the copper wire and then fold it back onto the cable. And then when you do the screw up inside the plug, this will pinch the outer sleeving of the cable and the copper wire, and that will prevent that from coming away over the years that you use the plug. Once you've done that, you're then ready to wire in each of the 7 wires into your plug. At the bottom of the screen, you'll now see a link directing you through to our website with a wiring diagram for the 7-pin plug. A little trick is you want to start from the middle pin, because that's going to be a little bit fiddly to get into once you've got the 6 pins around it wired in. So we're actually starting from 7, which is the black wire. Pop it into the receiving end of the pin and then tighten up. Just hand tight, you don't want to go mad on that. And then you'll want to work around the outside edge. So we're starting with pin 1, which is the yellow cable. Then pin 2, which will be located next to it, that's the blue cable. Pin 3, which is the earth, and that is the white cable. Pin 4 is green. Pin 5 is brown. And pin 6 is red. Once that's all done, you can put your plug back together. You'll want to ensure that you've put the seal and the screw on the back through the cable before wiring up the plug. But once you've done that, align your plug. It will be a set position that will go in. Close it and then screw on the seal. A reminder to always test your electrics before you start towing.